working on the giveaway sedan, pulling out the fuel pump. Pretty sure something's wrong with it. It's got dropping pressure and car stalling, so pull it out, have a look at it. But yeah, best way to get these out is got a punch, well, a chisel, which I'm using as a punch. Put it on these edges here, give it a nice hit with a mallet. And one of these things works pretty good. You've always got to be careful of the edges here, because they are real sharp and you can really hurt yourself with them. Had some pretty big cuts in my hands once upon a time, but I know about it now, so you got to be careful. Make sure you know where your fuel lines come from. That's your feed, that's your return, the breather. Just got to be careful. But, yeah, hopefully it's not full tank, goddamn. But yeah, get it out and continue from there. So got the fuel pump out. Everything seems fine. The wires seem fine. I've tested it with a battery and it sounds pretty healthy. The lines aren't kinked or anything like that. So yeah, now so I've decided, well, Jason decided we'll pull the fuel pump out of this thing. I think it's pretty new still, because he wants to upgrade and got a bit more power. And whatever's in this won't cut it. So pull it out of here. Put it into the giveaway car. So it's a bit of a higher flowing pump. So whoever wins it can put more power into the car without any issues really. But yeah, I'll start using the chisel, bash it out. It's gonna be fun. I also have to wire a relay into that thing, which sweet, easy. Now let's do this mad 10-cent track. 10 piece, cut to 10 mils. Now you pretty much have to pull this little sensor buoy for the, I think it's like a hicas thing that changes, has a little pin in it that goes in and out that changes how stiff your steering is. So basically what this does is it, when you pull that out, it basically pushes inside and it stops that pin from pushing into something here. Yeah, stops it from changing the pressure, so it pretty much keeps your steering softer or lighter. So yeah, I'll give the camera to Kang and I'll pull this thing off. I've got to pull the plug off, wherever that is. It's got a plug somewhere. I try that. Real awkward to plug all the time. My hand. Shit, my eyeball. It's real awkward. Like nowhere to get your hands in it. Should I go from here? Does this one work? Has it got like a pressy thing? Yeah. What kind of plug is it? Yeah, should we do it? Move your ass. If I'm insistent, I'm getting it. Oh, there it is. It's gotta be the most dog of a plug ever. Fuck now. Alright, you do it. Count with your little bitch hands. Hey, that's it. Get her unplugged. Stops it from because I've done it before, where you keep the plug on and you undo it, and it just ends up like twisting it full hella. Not that it really matters. I don't even think you need to have it plugged in once you delete that pin, but it'd just probably throw a code in the dash or something because of freak out. So I just need that. It does have a. You can't really get a shifter in there, so I just bang the vise on the Kang. This bit can get messy. Oh! You bang it like that, get my 10-cent ready, and get the oil pan, because it will leak a little bit. Oh! No drip. Threw oil everywhere. Sorry, dog. I'm not cleaning that up. Sure I am. And try and line that dog up. So now she's cracked. It's about lined up. This is where you gotta do some like Indiana Jones shot, where you like pull it out, just slam her in there.
as you can see, there she is. There's that little pin dog. Oh, shit. Drop my sensor. Oh, shit.
And that washer.
It's only... Oh, was that inside there?
Yeah.
So as you can see, you basically want that. There's that little pin. There you can see. I'm full screwing this shut up. Sort of sits like that. Steady hand. That's a ticket. That should be just the right amount. Such a shat messy job. So I definitely suggest doing this while you got things out. You know what, I reckon that 10 cents falling over because it doesn't want to do it.
Yeah.
It's still there. Yeah, you can even push that pin. No, this is like running down my arm and shit. It's not that Kang right now. I can't get the thread started.
Pressure onto it?
One turn 8's going up. It's been a diggity dog. Put that for a second. What the hell's going on? Ah, shit. God dang it.
To be continued. Action.
We finally got it. Well, Cam got it because he got his magic fingers. We just deleted the two little washers. Oh, those like springy washers, whatever you want to call them. Relined it up, twisted it on. It's my shat mate. Now, get your vicey boys. Very nice little clean, you know. Nip her up. Make sure she's so sometimes it'll sit like, I think 10 cents is like the perfect thickness to make sure it holds it all flat. You might end up with like a tiny gap, like a 1/2 mil gap off that thing, but it should still seal. I don't know if you can see it.
Not focusing at all.
Yeah, you just you get it tight so she doesn't leak.
Don't care.
Don't care. And you have to get crazy, but I like to get crazy sometimes. Done. Held tight. Plug her back in so it doesn't throw any codes or do any weird things. And done. You should have light steering. Woo. There is another way you can do it, I'm pretty sure. You can like bridge some wires on the hiker's computer. You still filming? Yeah. So you can bridge some wires in the boot and trick the hiker's computer to always be light. So also, this is a pretty easy 10 cent cost effective way if you don't like doing wiring things. Or you can do the wiring one. But I can't remember how to do it and don't know. This is what I've done on the track car. So, and once again, my fingers don't work plugging this back in. They make it difficult sometimes, don't they? Come on, Gary. I've got them together, it's just the right direction. It's like...
Spin it 180.
Yeah, I'm trying to spin it like 1,000 times. Can you see it?
No, I can't see anything.
Some wizardry. Hey. Ready? I was hoping there'd be like a nice click. There was no click at all. Didn't even get that satisfaction. There you go. Bang her back in there.
Top up the power steering.
Yeah, top up your power steering. We didn't lose too much. Normally it gushes out, and that power steering looked like poo brown. So it's not that Kang as well. You probably want some fresh red shad in there. But yeah. Dunsky. Clean her up, top her up, done. Just gave the beast a nice wash. Tested the steering. She feels amazing, heaps lighter. probably won't be able to tell on the video, but the old 10mm 10-cent trick. Light as a feather. Heaps better. Yeah, she's good. She's looking nice. It's the first proper wash after being painted. So yeah, any little dust and stuff is pretty much off it. So she's sitting real nice. Yeah, she's pretty much good, ready to go now. But, whoever wins this thing will pick her up. Might do a quick road test. Chuck the microphone on it and the GoPro and see how this thing sounds.